So if you were a man, make you smart.
That's right.
So what's 1 plus 1?
2.
What's 2 plus 2?
4.
What's 4 plus 80,000, 1,000, a million, bajillion?
Sean, that's not even a number. And you just made it up because you want to be right. But guess what? I can never be wrong because I'm your father, and fathers are never wrong because they always right. Only reason father's wrong is to a woman, and a woman always think a father is right. So therefore, me being your father, I'm always right.
What?
I don't know. Just know this. If you get your phone cracked and get it fixed at Philly Wires, they give you a free pair of these smart gloves that go with your repair. Okay? That means you can be outside at the bus stop using your phone. You can be heating your car in the morning using your phone.